sounds of different animals. Hi guys, it's me Whitney and Patty. Today we're going to play a game of picking up. You pick a paper, then you open in, you find the name of this animal, you make the sound. So let's start.
Which animal is that?
A cow.
Can you make the sound of a cow?
Moo, moo.
Good. And the next one here.
Is a cat.
Make the sound of a cat.
Meow, meow.
Very good. Next, which animal is that? Which one?
Chicken.
Make the sound of a chicken.
Quack, quack, quack.
Good.
The next
Next
one.
one. Dog. Your favorite?
Yes. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, guys, that's it for today.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.